Hello, in front of me I've got VIVO Y35. In this video I'll show you all unlock methods. In the beginning, let's go to settings, enter security, and go to screen lock, confirm. And as you can see right here, we've got 5 types of screen locks: non-swipe, pattern, pin and password. We're going to use each one of them to unlock the phone. Let's start with none, and now let's go to swipe. Now let's select pin. And in the end, secure password. Last unlock method is pattern, so let's select it. And after that, we can go to biometrics, like face unlock and fingerprint. Let's start with fingerprint. Tap start and now simply scan your fingerprint on the fingerprint sensor located on the power button. Tap the power button multiple times and each time try to adjust the fingerprint position. And the last unlock method is face unlock. Simply scan your face in this area. And now, when my face is scanned, I can use it to unlock the phone. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.